In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Base44. If you're already using Base44, you probably know what a versatile tool it is for form building. But today, we're going to focus on how to enhance your forms by adding a drop-down menu, a great way to streamline user input and ensure data consistency. Let's dive right in. First, it's worth noting that one of the simplest and most efficient ways to create a drop-down menu in Base44 is to leverage the capabilities of the AI chat. Instead of building this element manually, describing it to the AI can save you time and ensure accuracy. This approach is perfect if you're looking to quickly implement a dropdown without fussing over too many technical details. Begin by accessing your Base44 project where you want to incorporate this new dropdown menu. Ensure you are on the correct form you want to enhance, the form where this dropdown will serve its purpose effectively. Now open the AI chat feature. It's designed to streamline your process, allowing you to easily communicate your tasks to the system. Now here's what you'll want to type into the AI chat. Add a drop-down field labeled Category to my form. This field will be pivotal for organizing user input efficiently. You'll define the options for this drop-down as follows: personal, business, education, and other. Once you've input this command, give the system a moment to process. You should see the drop-down menu appear on your form labeled as Category, with your specified options ready to go. This simple dialogue with the AI automates what could otherwise be a more tedious process, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture of your project. Remember, it's crucial to review the changes after the AI processes your request. Preview the form to verify that the dropdown appears as intended. Make sure all options display correctly and the field label Category appears as specified. This quick review step ensures that your user experience will be seamless and professional. That's all there is to it. By utilizing the AI chat, you've effectively added functionality to your form without intensive manual effort. This method is both time-efficient and user-friendly, enabling you to quickly implement features that enhance user engagement. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful in showing you how to employ Base44 in a more efficient manner. The next time you need to make similar adjustments, you'll know exactly how to approach it. Your users will appreciate the intuitive design, and you'll appreciate the simplicity of the setup process. Happy form building, and see you in the next video.